In this segment, we'll explore the creation of presets, allowing you to tailor your avatars to perfection. So, what exactly are presets? Presets are the building blocks of uniqueness, collections of attributes that define the appearance of your avatars. Whether it's race, gender, or age range, presets offer a streamlined way to customize and create diverse characters. Let's dive into the process of creating presets in AvatarYug. Open your project in the portal and navigate to the left sidebar. Click on Presets and then select New Preset to embark on your customization journey. First up, choose the gender. AvatarYug make it simple with options for both males and females. Select based on your avatar's identity. Here I am choosing male. Now let's define the race or go for a custom look. I'll choose Indian as of now. Now I'll select Virat Kohli. Now the face preset of Virat Kohli will be loaded over here. You will be able to see options which have got from marketplace in these sections. You can customize the avatar from all of these options above. Now let's dive into the details with presets. Here the platform generates a unique preset ID automatically. Choose the status, draft, active, inactive or expired. I'll choose active as of now. Add tags for organization and select the preset's primary data, race and age range. Now let's make it visually appealing to your users. Enter a captivating display name for your preset and provide an optional description for your in-app store. I'll give it PS1 for now. Further, customize with gender, blend shapes and pricing details. Gender is auto-generated and blend shapes bring life to expressions. You can change the values of blend shapes as per your needs. Set the price in the preferred currency. I'll add real money from these and I'll give it a value of, let's say 15. Okay. Add a personal touch with custom data. You can use key value pairs to add unique attributes to your preset, making it truly one of a kind. Now let's visualize it with render image. Specify the platform, image size, quality level, expression and clips for a stunning visual representation and generate it. Now fine-tune the details with artifacts. Choose the platform, export format, texture size and more to ensure your preset looks fantastic in every scenario and generate the artifact too.